Obiora Okonkwo has just concluded a meeting with respected and successful individuals from Anambra State who live in Lagos. The ZLP candidate during his visit shared his 10-point agenda for the state, which he plans to implement if elected as governor. Obiora Okonkwo also reminded the people of the consequences of allowing a governor controlled by a godfather to emerge after the election.
Godfatherism has been a cancer that has been eating deep into all our internal organs in Anambra State. And we are agreed with one voice that it must come to an end. They need Anambra State to be governed by that person who has a mind of his own and who has on his own overcome personal issues about life and is only there to serve Anambra people, just like they have always done in their own individual capacity. A good number of them have had a lot of community projects, and they believe that with a good government in place, the burden of supporting their families, their communities, will really be eaten off the pie.
The convener of the meeting, Samuel Anyanwu, while responding, explained that they are satisfied with the plans Obiora Okonkwo has for the state.
So today, with what I have seen and what I have heard from him, you can see that more than almost everybody are more than happy. And all of us, even some of them who have already belongs to other political parties or who have already supported some other candidates, now they have changed their mind. You can see everybody's not as happy. So I'm sure, by God's grace, he's going to be the next governor.
The ZLP candidate added that Anambra State has all it takes to compete favorably with states like Lagos and the Federal Capital Territory if the right leaders are voted into office.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.